Hello and welcome to Eating Out. My name is Gaurav. नाम तो सुना होगा. देखिए, tonight I'm really hungry, so I'm going to come straight to the point. I'm going to take you to one of the oldest restaurants in Dubai. Now, not only is this one of the oldest restaurants in Dubai, but still, it's the only one of its kind. It's the revolving restaurant at Hyatt Regency Dubai. It's called Al Dawar, and we're going to go here. Ek baat, or if you're wondering what happened to my hairstyle. You know, because we're coming to a special place, I thought we should do something special. And my makeup artist's brother caught hold of me today and said, Gaurav, give me your hair. I make you look punky. And this is the result of saying yes. So enjoy my hairstyle. If you don't like it, we're definitely going to enjoy the food here at Al Dawar. One of the first things that catches your eye is the amazing view of Dubai from this restaurant. And that too, 360 degrees. So we're finally at Al Dawar. Now generally when we go for lunch, Puri Saab is very excited about the food. Today Puri Saab is excited about the food and also some memories being refreshed, right Puri Saab?
Absolutely correct.
Before you tell us what the memories are, I'll tell you what it was. Al Dawar was the first restaurant that Puri Saab came to 22 years back when he came to Dubai. At that time he was 45 years old and this was the first restaurant that he visited in Dubai. Right?
Absolutely correct.
Puri Saab, what has changed?
Nothing much, but I think the scenery outside has changed a lot.
Yeah.
And I'm sure the food is going to be as good. And मैं पहले से ज़्यादा जवान हो गया हूँ.
Yeah, वो तो बात सही. He's also got his first TV role. Now we're looking for his first film role.
Film role.
Right?
I believe you've selected the heroine for me. Yeah, you have done that. Good.
We'll find out about that and also a very interesting fact about buffets. Did you know why is a buffet called a buffet? If not, Puri Saab is going to answer that in just a bit. But right now, it's time to go and check the buffet out. सैलेड्स और सी फूड काउंटर से हमने अपने मील की शुरुआत कर ली है और हम दोनों की प्लेट्स में काफ़ी अलग अलग चीज़ें हैं. पुरी साहब,
बिल्कुल.
इसका मतलब यहाँ पर वैरायटी अच्छी थी.
नहीं, वैरायटी तो इतनी ज़्यादा थी कि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या लूँ और क्या ना लूँ.
हाँ, और ये जब पुरी साहब को समझ में नहीं आता है, this is how much he ends up taking when he really doesn't understand how much to take. Yeah.
No, I couldn't hold myself.
Yeah. All right, so let's not hold ourselves any further and let's start eating. While we were eating, we completely forgot to tell you that why is a buffet called a buffet? Puri Saab, what's the answer to this? A buffet is called a buffet because of?
Because of, actually buffet is a French term which signifies a sideboard or a side cabinet. When it started in the 18th century, what was happening was people were, when they were short of service staff, you would keep the dishes on the sideboard and you would go there and pick it up yourself. Since the sideboard is called a buffet in French, so the style of eating just became a buffet. But later on, it also started, it went down and then it came up again because some French gentlemen would go down to their, to the ladies' house to woo them, and they would go unannounced. And then the kitchen would be in a big turmoil as to what to serve. So they had to fall back upon the cold kitchen. And whatever was there in the cold kitchen, they would bring it out in a platter and place it on the buffet.
Ah.
And that's where the word buffet got very popular.
We started from Burj Khalifa and right now we are in the heart of Deira, well at least in terms of our backdrop. Huh, Puri Saab?
Bilkul.
Fascinating, isn't it? What a change. The new skyline and now we're actually looking at how Dubai was.
Actually, I was concentrating more on the food.
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot. I'm supposed to talk about the food. yeah, tell us, Puri Saab.
No, the seafood was excellent.
Right.
And so was the soup.
Yeah.
And I'm still thoroughly impressed by the color of my drink.
Oh yeah, very good looking drink. And you know, Puri Saab didn't want to have any sort of milk, so he went for that drink, I went for this one. I haven't sipped it. Actually, there's another thing that I haven't done is seen their grill food section. That's supposed to be really nice.
I was waiting when you want to go talk about it. At least let us go there now.
Alright, so once I have a sip, we are going in for some grilled food. Okay, Okay, we had gone there to just take the grilled stuff, but obviously there was so much variety that we could not restrict ourselves to just grilled food. We've had a little bit of the other stuff as well. We have lots of variety.
And Lebanese, Moroccan,
Greek.
Indian, Greek, Malaysian, besides the continental.
Yeah.
A truly international buffet.
Yeah, so lots to choose from, and we've got our plates full now. Puri sahab.
No, I don't have my plate full. Huh? I know there's still one more course after this, the dessert one.
Okay, let's start with what we have.
As expected, the food was excellent.
Absolutely.
पुरानी यादें ताज़ा हो गई.
क्या बात है? पूरी एक याद शेयर कीजिए. Share something with us. 22 years back and now.
22 years back, yes. तब मैं छोटा बच्चा था.
And now he's young and ready to get married again.
Ready to.
Okay, coming to the food.
Food-wise, the grill station was delicious.
Absolutely.
And the mutton chingara or lamb chingara was one of the best I had
In a very long time.
in a very, very long time.
And what do you have to say about the rib carving that was done?
Ribs were good, but more interesting was the stuffing inside.
Absolutely. Very, very interesting, very tasty. So all in all, Puri sahab, if you had to rate the buffet, with in terms of the variety, the taste, what would you say?
I would say excellent value for money.
Absolutely.
And especially if you look at in 1 hour and 45 minutes,
Yeah.
since we have been here, हमने पूरा दुबई भ्रमण कर लिया.
Yeah, so next time you're here for lunch or dinner, make sure you have at least 1 hour 45 minutes, because that's how long it takes you to take a complete round. And our round is obviously not complete till we've had desserts.
Oh, I was waiting for that.
Yeah, so let's go and have our desserts as well.
Actually, why don't we start the UP way and start with the desserts first and then followed by soup and main course and all?
Yeah, so when Puri sahab has his own restaurant, we'll try it that way. But here, it's time for desserts now. So we've had a fantastic meal so far, and like you can see, we're ending it on a very, very sweet note. And just in case you guys are wondering, these guys have had their fun, what about us? Here's your chance to come in and eat at Al Dawar. Absolutely free. For that, you've got to answer a very, very simple question. And the question this time has to be answered only on Facebook, on our group called Eating Out. तो आपको वहाँ पर लॉगिन करना है, और आपका सवाल ये है that Al Dawar is the only dash restaurant in Dubai. कंफ्यूजिंग नहीं है, पर थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाइए, बहुत इजी है. आपको हमारे कैमरामैन की हरकतों से भी समझ में आ जाएगा कि इसका आंसर क्या है. बस जल्दी से हमें अपने आंसर भेजिए. एंड सम ऑफ यू विल बी ईटिंग है एब्सोल्युटली फ्री. अब हमें यहाँ से जाना पड़ेगा, पर आप कहीं मत जाइए, क्योंकि ईटिंग अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.